In a land where whispers of ancient spirits echo, a guardian creature emerged, cloaked in emerald scales and shimmering wings, watching over the fields and forests, keeping harmony alive. One fateful day, dark clouds gathered as a selfish warrior sought to conquer the land, threatening the balance that the creature protected. The warrior's greed blinded him to the beauty around him. In a clash of wills, the creature unleashed its magic, summoning the elements to defend the land. Lightning danced, rivers roared, teaching the warrior that nature's gifts must be cherished, not conquered. Realizing its folly, the warrior knelt, promising to protect the land instead. The creature, in its wisdom, bestowed upon him a blessing, sealing a bond between humankind and nature for generations to come. And so, the tale is told through time. Respect the earth, for its guardians are watching, ensuring that harmony prevails. And every creature, great or small, has a role